Our chosen topic is modulation. Modulation is a technique that changes the characteristics of the carrier frequency in accordance with the input signal. Modulation is a process of varying a high-frequency carrier signal with a low-frequency message signal, such as voice, data, or video to transmit information over long distances. It allows the message signal to be superimposed on the carrier signal, enabling efficient communication. Modulation helps in reducing signal loss, minimizing noise interference, and allowing multiple signals to share the same communication channel with interference. This process is essential in radio broadcasting, television transmission, mobile communication, and many other forms of wireless communication.
Need for modulation. Long-distance communication. Modulation allows signals to travel long distance without significant loss or interface. Noise reduction. Higher frequency signals are less affected by noise and interface compared to low frequency signals. Bandwidth utilization. Different types of modulation. Modulation help in better bandwidth management and efficient spectrum usage. Advantage of modulation. Increased transmission range. Improved signals quality. Efficient spectrum utilization, capability without wireless, better data transmission.
Modulation is essential in communication, allowing signals to travel long distances without losing quality. There are two types of signals, analog and digital. Analog signals like radio waves vary continuously while digital signals use binary code for precise transmission. Modulation techniques include AM and FM for analog and ASK, PSK, and FSK for digital. These methods enhance the strength, reduce the interference, and ensure clear, reliable communication across different channels.
Types of modulation. We have continuous wave modulation and pulse modulation. Continuous wave modulation uses a high-frequency sine wave as the carrier. It is further divided into two, amplitude modulation and angle modulation. Amplitude modulation is the amplitude of the carrier wave is varied based on the message signal. Angle modulation includes frequency modulation and phase modulation, while pulse modulation is a periodic sequence of pulses is used to carry information.
Continuous modulation is a type of signal modulation where the carrier waves varies continuously in response to the input signals. It includes amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, and phase modulation. Pulse modulation is a technique where the signal is encoded using pulses instead of continuous wave. It includes pulse amplitude modulation, pulse width modulation, and pulse position modulation. Pulse modulation is classified into analog pulse modulation and digital pulse modulation.